What up, guys? Today I have for you a new tool that I found that I thought it was a good deal, plus it was it's a good useful tool. We're all gonna use it one time or another for sure. So let me show you what it is. And today we're gonna be showing you this tool. This tool, I got it at Harbor Freight. It was originally, I think, $59. It comes with all these goodies, and it's but I got the $49.99 coupon. So I've never seen this one before, so I thought it's really good, and you have different options in one flashlight, and it looks to be rechargeable. Haven't opened it yet, but we can go through it. Because I also got, let me show you, I got this one there too. This one is super bright and it's super flexible, but this just comes, this guy, just a light bar and with a magnet, and has three different settings, and you can also recharge this. But the only bad thing about this is just a light bar, but it will still work. It works great. I always use this guy. So let's get to showing you this guy. So we have a slim bar, like a little, what is this one called? The flexible shaft. You can see it right there. That's the shaft. And then that's the flashlight, which for the flashlight it's 320 lumens. And we have the light bar, which is exactly, I think, exactly like this one. And that one is at 421 lumens. And the good thing about this, I think the only thing you have to do is like kind of like how do you say, I don't know, I think all you have to do is that and snap the other one in. Let's check the back. Here are the specs on it, and those are the specs for the flashlight. It's up to, I believe that's 6 hours 40 minutes. The slim bar, which is a skinny one, I think, which is this guy, is up to 7 hours, and then the little flex shaft is up to 97 hours. And if you guys want the part number, I believe it's this guy right here. If you guys are looking for it, or if you guys want to purchase it. And like I said, this is originally set at $59.99, and I got it for $49.99 with the coupon. And then and I'm like, that should be pretty cool, because you can have the three different areas, and I think it also has a magnet in the back. I'm not sure, but we'll check it out right now. Let me open it, and then I'll show you all what it comes with, and how do you connect them into here, and how easy it is to come out. I know I'm gonna have to recharge it. It's not recharged right now, so let's go on and let me open this thing real quick. Alright, so I opened the package. This thing is very well packaged, and it was kind of difficult to open it, but I got it open. Okay, let me show you what it comes with. So we get this little bag, this storage bag. Has different areas to pack it up. Put maybe like a couple papers, whatever you want to put in there. I'm not sure what you put in here, but it does have, it looks like it does have like little sections where you put the actual pieces to the flashlight. So it's cool that you get this bag with it. You also get your charging cable, but you don't get the actual charger, the one that you plug it in. So it's just a charger. You're gonna need to use your own charger, the plug-in one. You also get a hook, because you're camping, there's no metal, so you can hook it up. It should work. Let me show you how it works real quick. It's kind of flat on these two areas right here. Just put it in there, hook it up. There you go. To that part. I wonder if this thing has magnet. Let's try it out. Wow, look at that. It also has magnet. These two parts back here, they're magnetized. Didn't know that. I just saw that right now. So you get a hook, the magnet, you can hear it. There you go. And you also get the magnet on this guy. There you go. You got multiple magnets, multiple ways to hook it up. And here, let me show you. So this is the actual battery pack with the button here. Let me see if we can. Let me get out of the way here. So we got this guy. Let me show you the button. It's not wanting to focus here. Alright, there you go. You got the button to start it. The brand obviously is right here. And this guy, you click it back to open it or to remove the studs. And here's your charging port. There you go. And there you go. Now you know it's on. Obviously it's not going to come on, but here's the flashlight portion of it. There you go. Should snap right in. There you go. Snaps right in. There you go. Now with the flashlight, let's see how bright it goes. Looks like it's 3 settings. So you got the off setting, which is off. Now it's on. And then now it's even brighter. So it's 2 settings on this flashlight part. So I'm guessing the other stuff is also 2 settings. And then all you have to do is just pull the green release and out it comes. There you go. That's easy. Okay, let's get the light bar now. Also, all you have to do is like push it down, snap it, and there you go. Now you got a light bar. Okay, let's see how many. This is also you could do like 180. There you go. Can you twist it? Oh, there you go. Look, you could also twist 180. Pretty nice. And then just twist it, it won't come off until you actually pull back on the green lever. There you go. Now it's off. And just to put it back on. There you go. Let's see how many settings this guy has. So I don't want to flash it up camera. There's 1, 2. So it's also 2 settings. So we got the low setting, which appears first, and then the high setting is next, and then this one. Pretty good. There's that. Now let's try this little flexible light bar. So it's pretty long, and the actual light part is right here. You can actually see it right here. This is the light section of it. I think you could zoom into it, but that's what it is right there. See if you can see it. Oh, it's right there. You can see it. Alright. You could twist it. Very flexible. Look at that. Very flexible. So if I just put it on back on here, again, just you can hear the little click and it's on. Now let's try. I'm guessing this one has 2 settings too. Yep. High and low and high and off. I'm not test this out in the dark, but it doesn't seem very bright. Actually, it's okay. I guess if you need to get into a little spot, very tight spot, that'll work. But yeah, not very bright. Okay, pointing it at the wall. Let me see here. Point it at the wall here. And then you guys could see how bright it is. Still light out, but yeah, it's pretty bright. Let me close this door and then see if you can see it better. Now it's getting darker in here. There you go. It's pretty dark in here. This is the shaft one, so this is the one that I'm gonna try out. Actually, it's pretty good. Look at that. So that's the low one and the high one. Ah, it's actually pretty nice. Pretty dark. Or pretty dark. Pretty bright for a little light bar with a little LED light. Now it's just the real question is, how long is the little LED light gonna last you for, or how long is it gonna last? But there you go. Put this a little forward. Okay. So we went over all the components. Oh yeah, you also get your instructions. Don't forget about your instructions. So let's see what else. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you. So I got the original price. I think it's $59. Don't quote me. I'll put it on the here in the screen if it's not the right price. I think I got it for $49. I'll put the price because I got it with a coupon. And oh yeah, they also give you a option to get like a 1-year replacement. So if a part goes bad, and they'll replace, I believe, the whole unit for you. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the product. I'm not getting paid for this, so I'm just doing it to help you guys out, so you guys can get some new tools and help you guys out. So yeah, oh yeah, this is the other one. Let me see if they're actually the same length. Yeah, they're identical. The only thing different I see about these two is this one has to hang it. This one has to hang, and also this one has a little LED where you can point it with this one too. So yeah, this one's worked real well too. It also has a magnet. And let me see this guy. So I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll try to get other tools where you guys might like, and I'll put the description in the. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Buy yourself one. And thank you for watching. And peace out. Until next time.